How is everybody Saturday doing, guys? It is Rumble Saturday. Getting excited to be part of the news segment today. We got lots of stuff lined up for you. Maybe I'm just kidding. Maybe I'm just gonna wing it today. How's everybody you Saturday never know, because it's the week. My volume. I'm trying to mute everything while I'm trying to think. Now let's go get into some Bitcoin. We're gonna hit some altcoins up. I'm gonna check out some news, which I don't think there's very much going on. And we'll probably head on over to X and check out the bubbles and check out the altcoins, I guess. Really hit up AI, maybe check out gaming, all the different areas that we have in the space. It's gonna be a good day, man. Let's try to get Trent in here. Actually, I should probably send him the link, see if he'll be willing to come on in. I know he's got a lot of stuff going on today. It's Saturday. Everybody's got stuff going on Saturdays, but we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Financial decisions. This show was created for entertainment purposes only. So thank you everybody for coming on in this Saturday. Whoa. What's up, everybody? Welcome into another episode on Saturday. Blockchain Brew Show. We're going to come on in and cover Bitcoin and altcoins and all the crypto environment. You guys haven't already, please smash that golden like button, guys. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Smash that golden like. You also have the subscribe bell, your ring-a-ding-ding, and your ring-a-ding-ding. With that bell, you can find us over there on that beautiful YouTube, and over there on Kick and Rumble, we grow all natural. And we can't forget about you guys over there on X. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. Today, I got my Leavenworth mug from made in Germany, but... made in China. Beerstein made in China. Jeez Louise, guys. I got a fresh squeezed IPA coming in at 6.4%. Got them hops, man. See the hop that's squeezing the beer out of it. So, hey, we'll go add some pop and we'll get into it. Bang and a bean. You guys hear that? I don't know if you can ever hear it. I always hear it, but I never hear it come through the mic. Here we go. Pour it in. You guys can see it. Do. I'm not making it up. It is not water in this mug, but it is getting a little frothy near the top. I gotta make sure I don't spill it over. You guys can see the froth right there. Ooh, gotta let it air out, man. You know me, I like to pour it thick and hard. All right, jump on in here. Who we got in here? What's up, Real Meta? What's up, background actor? I see you over there on Kick. Who we got in here? We have Vision Pulsed Fat Boy, aka the Pepe. XRP crashed. I told you it's going to tank real hard in 2 weeks, dude. I was telling you that it was going to tank real hard. I was calling it $1.35. And guess what? It just means more DCA, man. That's all it is. Just more DCA. Exactly. Let's throw up some charts. Throw on the screen. Be coming on into that's Twitter. There's the charts. We'd throw those up there. Throw this back up. Bang. Did I delete that? Yeah, I did. We got some scammers over there on Kick. I had to push them out real quick. All right, cool. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I actually closed out my long last night in the red, down 18%. You know, I had a good one, then I had a bad one. I went to sleep last night, I had a few beers, and I was like, I woke up at 2 in the morning, like, where am I at and everything? I closed it out like right here. There was possible time. I was kind of nervous about this, man, to give it all up, but let's get into it. So currently right now on the 15-minute, we have some momentum coming down. We came down. We tried to break back up, created a lower high. Not the greatest sign in the world. We're in this bull flag right here, but I'm feeling like it's going to break down, especially because the momentum on the 15 minutes coming down. VWAP's kind of showing that. The 1 hour, when we were looking at this yesterday, we were looking at a possible, where's my paint pen? There's a shoulder right there. You got your head and you have the shoulder right here for possible upside up to that 200 at 65,000, 66,000 price range. We did not complete it, actually. In fact, we broke down. You could try to argue that this is a cup and handle. I'm not feeling it. In fact, when I'm looking at this right now is that we got the lower highs. We're swinging down type style. We come on over to the money flow. It's not that strong right here. I mean, let's blow it up so you can see a little better. Look at that. Look at that. It came up and just hit a little baby curvature. Now what we got is the VWAP also is not on our side. It's curving down. The momentum, I don't like this momentum right here on that blue wave. It's kind of thick. It just looks like it's running out of steam. We do got the Stokes are green, which is good. And strength is doing okay too, with the strength being purple. And it's not super weak. We're at 69 out of 70, but it does look like it's having that slight pullback. Now, I think I'm seeing like a lower high, man, coming on in here. So 15-minute doesn't look that good. The 1 hour, we have a little doji can, a possible trend reversal. It's a lower high. You know, price targets adding like 67,000. I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know. When we come back out and stretch this target, where we at in the money flow right now? We'll come take a look at the money flow. Clearly, the VWAP came down, which is what we saw this morning at 2 a.m. The money flow has been growing still. Jeez Louise. We're all hoping that this was the peak. We still got that curvature, but then nope. We got a little bit more red. We've been coming up in the momentum. Got a little bit of fake out, I think. I've been trying to keep going. The VWAP made a hump, tried to grow on the 4 hour. It doesn't look super strong to me right now. Stokes are our side. Look like they faded a little bit. You know, if we could slide above the 21 and hold it, that would be, I think, our best case scenario, being 21 being this white line, where we kind of could phase right above it, end up using it as support, and then trying to get back up to that 50 MA. What's the 6 hour say for Bitcoin? Remember, we're in low volume, low liquidity weekend, so you know it'd be a lot more bullish if it was like a Wednesday or a Thursday, not a Saturday. Saturdays always never seem to be that strong. There was a couple Saturdays though last year, back in like October, like August, maybe July, which just took off on the weekend. I was like, what the heck's going on? This is not good. We're creating a massive CME gap. We don't want to do that. 6 hour. It hasn't quite flipped bearish yet, but I question the red money outflow, even though momentum's doing good. VWAP's doing good. Stokes and strength. I kind of trying to get that reversal going, but just looking at the 15-minute and the 1 hour, I just can't see it holding. Especially, we got 3 hours left. I don't know, man. The 12 hour, I was feeling pretty confident. The 12 hour, I'm not gonna lie, with the double green dots, momentum coming in, and this looking like it was a bottom on the money flow coming in. But man, dude, this right here definitely puts a dud right in the middle of your weekend if you're trying long. Is that VWAP having that slight bend down? Look at the strength and the Stokes are signing the green. Look at that. Just went 90-degree angle. Bink, like that. That's not a good thing. It's literally stops you in your tracks. Just ouch, man. Just ouch. No, we don't want to see none of that. None of that. So I don't know, man. You know, Doji Can and trend reversal, it does look likely that we come back down to like 58,000. Could be on the table. I just said that out loud. I was saying that and I was thinking in my head and I was like, whoa. 58,000 could be on the table. Oof. I don't know. You guys, what do you think? We're going to go down? We're going to go up. I'm going to put a poll in the chat. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. What does everybody think the likelihood of Bitcoin is going to go to? Okay, poll. BTC. Which up or down? BTC up or down? Or down. All right, now let's put in here. What number do you guys think would be a good number? You think 70? Let's say 77K versus 58K. We'll throw some oddball price targets in there because we could have 4 options. Let's say best case scenario, 85K. Oh, what the heck did I just hit? Oh, I hit something on my keyboard that I did not mean to hit. Don't know, but I was able to reverse it, so that's good. 85K, unlikely, and we'll say 48K, unlikely. Oh, all right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, poll is in the chat. Now, what's interesting about this, it kind of throws you off because 58 and 85 are palindromes. The same forwards they are backwards. Kind of threw me off when I was looking at it. What do we got? The 12 hours, the feed daily does look like it's trying to get that reversal coming on in. It's on a weekend too. It makes me a little nervous trying to create another CME gap above us. 2-day, we don't get for a little bit. That's right. We're not gonna be live when we get the daily close. That is a nasty wick though on the weekly. I ain't gonna lie, man. Oh, my back is so stinking sore. Last couple of days. Metals have been doing okay. Metals, silver is at 77K. We just came back down to 21, dude. I don't know, man. If we can bounce off it, we bounced off it a couple of different times previously over here, but I'm thinking that 50 MA levels like the higher likely retesting. We got Vision Pulse Fat Boy talking smack about our XRP. Let's go take a look at XRP. Anybody out there, XRP fans, look at that beautiful touch off that 200 moving average right there. Woof. Bang, bang. Did it really hit that price target that I think it hit? Dude, it did come down, dude. 113 yesterday. Oh, yeah. We were thinking 135. There it comes down, dude. The 112 level. Woo. Look at that, man. Beautiful call on our part. Beautiful calls on our part. DCA and Prey. What's up, dog? We called those, man. You know, we likelihood of a next low is 80 cents for XRP. I own some XRP, way more XLM though. I like XLM too. I owned a fat little stack of XLM too. I sold Crow at 26 cents and I put it into XLM on a low. Oh yeah. Let's go take a look at XLM right after we look at XRP. Man, it came down to yesterday was at $1.12 and back up to $1.44. That's pretty quick rebound. You know, $1.13 came back up. Oof, yeah. Still don't know if we bottomed yet, guys. We still don't know if we bottomed. I'm in the camp that we have not yet. XLM's right over here. What did XLM do on the daily? XLM went to 13 cents. Yeesh. Wow. And it's probably not done yet either. XLM probably has a target of. Let's take a look at this. I wanna narrow this down. We're right here. We're right here right now off these wicks. If we come down lower, we'll probably hit this. Come down lower. I'm gonna put this right here so I can kind of see what we're looking at. Just below 9 cents, just below 12. Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad. Gave up a lot of that run though. Holy cow, that spike up. Whoosh, just through the moon. I don't remember when we looked at these. Delete those right now. Dook. Dook. 200 is bending down, 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 down. We are in bearish town. Oh, cracked my neck. Money outflow still on the red. VWAP doesn't even know what the hell it's doing. It's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just playing the game. Stokes and Strength are kind of trying to come back in, though. When we get those pumping, that'd be really good for us. Money outflow still seems to be in the red. I don't know for certain if we bottomed yet. I think the likelihood of us bottoming is not there yet. Daniel Coppin, the one and only Mr. Coppin. How are you doing today on this Saturday? I might buy some more. You might need to buy some more. It's a really good time to DCA. I think this is the second to bottom. We have one more wave down. I think that will probably be the bottom. But I think this is a good time, just in case I'm wrong. I mean, the fear and greed is like dang near 5, 6, 7, 8, like right there, single digits. Those have never been disproven to be bad times to buy. You guys better buy. You know we are better buying, man. That's why we're here streaming every day, so we can push your dash and our dash up. Hey, bro, what's up, B Havish? How you doing, brother? Nice to see you live. How are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing? How's your Saturday? Where are you from? What's your first crypto you bought? 200 here soon? I don't know if it's 200 here soon, Daniel. I think we have at least till September before we start bottoming. Altcoins usually bottom like 6 months after Bitcoin bottoms. Maybe it could be even up to a year. Where is Dash? A, B, C, D, Dash. 36 bucks. Double topped. Lower high. Came all the way down. We're below the 200 right now. We just now are in bearish territory, Mr. Kaufman. And we're at this support. We bounced off at 33 bucks, just like we were telling you a few weeks ago. What's up, LT? I bought a $1.35 XRP, but I might sell and see if it goes low. We got time. We do got time. I was thinking, LT, did you see the TA I just did on XRP? I can swing back over there in a minute or two. We did come down to a $1.35 off that zone, and we came down to the second zone right there at $1.12. I haven't erased them, but last time we were talking, I think I pulled them up, and there might be a third zone if we have another wave down to go below $1. I just can't believe it. It's going to 90 again. I don't think it's going to go 90 anytime soon, unfortunately. 12-hour double green dots, money flow momentum. It's iffy. Look at the VWAP right here. It's swinging down right now. The 12-hour Stokes and Strength are also coming down. $32 is on the table. I bet you Dash will be at $22 on the next wave down. Not saying that I wanted to go down there, but I'm saying if you want to buy, that's a good time to buy right there. That's that sweet spot right there. Bear market bottom. Could go even a little lower, but I think that's a good spot to buy. If I was you, I'd probably buy a little bit now just in case I'm wrong, and then I'd go put an extra 50% at $22 in there, and then if it goes down again, I'll put whatever I had left into it. If that is your conviction. I'm gonna throw LT on the screen. Jeez, man, where is XRP at? We all have XRP, right? XRP. Everybody should be holding some XRP. We came down to this zone right here. I drew these lines last time we were here. I drew this one like a week and a half ago. Everybody saw XRP was what, $1.80 when we drew this. That's at $1.35. And everybody called me nuts, man. Everybody said I'm nuts, but I don't look nuts anymore. There was a second zone right there. We used this little bit of support to draw that second zone at $1.08. Which lines up to over here. We have the next zone right here coming right in at 80 cents, 78 cents. Worst case scenario, dude, we go back down to that 50-cent range. Currently right now, we bounced off the $1.12 level, so kind of the sweet spot, man. I mean, it can easily come back down to 80 cents. I just don't want to say it's going to break $1, but dang willingness of crypto, it might just do it just despite us. Sometimes that's how the game is played, man. You say it's not going to do it, crypto goes, oh, prove me wrong, hold my beer. Here's our channel, hold my beer, watch us do it. $20 Dash coins, Daniel, that is totally possible. Likely, even more likely than going to $40, $45. whenever the next leg is up. It's terrible, man. I'm not hating, Daniel. I hope it goes up. I really want Dash to go up to 200, right? I think everybody in here wants Dash to go up to 200. We have a poll in the chat right now. It's 50-50. 50% people think 48K is coming on the table. Wow. 50% think 48K is next. And we also have 25% say 58K. And then 25% of you guys think the next rally is going to 77K. I hope not, man. We do not want to see anybody have pain. We should take a look at Avalanche. Thank you for asking. I'm just okay, very upset and tired as got wrecked on February 5th with all brutality which took place that day in the market. Completely devastated. Shall be fine though. Shall be fine. Thank you. Hey man, I'm right there with you, bro. I've been so devastated. But you know what, dude? This is the one way you can look at it, the market, is even if you made all the money in the world, would you quit working or would you just keep working and doing something different? You know, that's kind of how, that's my perspective. I would never stop working. I won't. Even if I had $50 million, I would never quit working. I just love it. I enjoy it. I try helping everybody. That's kind of like that's my jam, man. I want everybody to be happy. I'd love to donate and give money away to all sorts of causes and charity. I'd love to go up to somebody who really needed help and just be like, hey man, here's 100 grand, here's 10 grand, Mr. B style, you know, just really try to help people pick them up and just help them out, man. I think I also want to do is create a nonprofit and create a group of leadership for men and recruit them and help teach them and how to recruit and help other young men that need help. And just do it right. I mean, like Andrew Tate does a pretty good job of it too, but he charges an absurd amount of money, and his style is so not my style, man. Like, I get it, be a man, but dude, he like talks, makes you feel bad and all that other stuff. I want to find a way to build people up and help teach that to people where you can duplicate it, you know. No, I'm with you, man. Completely devastated. I feel it, bro. I really do. Just do it. Keep a smile on your face. Be happy. We have 2 feet up. You're not blind. You can hear. You can see. You're willing to work. You know, be happy, man. If you pull up AVAX, I'm out. No, I gotta pull up AVAX, man. It's like the leader of the gaming. It is. I have to pull it up. I'm sorry. I gotta go over all the narratives. I can't just cater to one thing. We're gonna pull up Pepe too, and we'll probably pull up some DeFi. We'll take a look at Hyperliquid. I'm curious about Hyperliquid. We were thinking about shorting it because it pumped. You know what's interesting about AVAX? They had a DeFi protocol on there called Black Hole, and all of a sudden Elio Waves pulls out of it. So I'm kind of curious, like, what's going on over there. Hey, Trent doesn't want to be my friend anymore because I don't hold ADA anymore. Tell him not to hate me, JK, LOL. I know, right? Hey, it's okay, LT. I don't hold any ADA right now either. I actually love ADA. I used to hold 100,000 coins of it. ADA is a good project. I made some mistakes. Gotta put a smile on my face. Get it all accumulated back, right? It was actually a pretty good trade. I traded it for XRP, but now I gotta buy some more ADA. Buy some of that night. I think like he said yesterday, Trent said everybody should hold ADA. Oh my gosh, dudes! I just forgot something. I forgot to throw up go into studios and throw up some stuff. Hey, you guys, give me a second. I'm messing up my algorithm on YouTube. I won't have to do everything, but I got to fix something. I totally spaced it, guys. I was so excited to go streaming, and I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna make this look a little bit more pretty while I sit here and think for a second. Okay, when I go into studios, I go into my content right now. I gotta hit edit, live, details. I can't believe I forgot this. Like they need to ask if my content's designed for kids. I'm like, no, it's not designed for kids, and we don't use AI content, so I have to hit no on that. I gotta throw a few tags in here so the YouTube algorithm knows it's crypto related and not anything else. BTC, XRP. I don't know what's through ADA. I gotta do some few keywords in there because I forgot, man. I totally spaced on this. I never space on this. Crypto, coin. What's another good one, guys? We'll throw AVAX in here just because of Daniel. We'll put Dash in there for Daniel. And we're going to we'll do Beam. We'll put Silver. We'll do Gold. And Trump. Okay, good enough. That's good enough for now. I don't care about that. I had to change it for the kids part though. Okay, cool. We're back. I had to fix that up. What's up, Pat? How you doing? H bar is a form of crypto. Why? Why did you say that? I love Hedera. Technically, it's not even a cryptocurrency. It's a DAG. Technically. Oh, okay. Let's take a look at some Avalanche. Then we might have to look at DeFi. Now I might have to pull up Hedera just so I could prove to Fat it's not that. It's a good coin. Ugh. Double green dots. We're meant to come in the Stokes and strength. They're kind of getting a little flat. VWAP's getting a little flat. I don't know if this is a bottom, man. 3 wicks all hit the same level. It's not super great. Let's just be honest. 4 hour though is kind of nice. It's kind of slowly slided above the 21 to 8. Avalanche hit $7. Oh gosh. I lost a boatload holding Hedera. LOL. Hey man, I'm right there with you, dude. Actually, I take it back. I don't think I've lost a boatload of Hedera, but I don't think I sold enough Hedera. How is that? Yeah, I think I accumulated most of my Hedera around 4 7 cents, or double whatever it is, 007. Yeah, it's 4 7 cents. Oh, Avalanche is trying to get above that 21. If you could hold above it, 977 could be on the table. Yeah, it looks like it's rejected off the 21 too. This could be a little long opportunity. So that you just have to keep an eye on this, because if this turns into a lower high and doesn't get above it, you would get to like $1.33. Then you know that we won't break out. But if it could break out, it'd be great. We have a slight swing down, so you can see this. Whoop. Slight swing down, not the greatest sign. So really, this is where it has to prove itself. Because if it breaks down, you're going to break down pretty hard. You might even come back down to the 200. Oh, dude, my sweet lower back hurts so bad, dude. Oh, man, I don't know if I just didn't stretch or something the other day, but shoot, dude, it does hurt. I'm gonna have to use my inversion table, dude. I was shout out to Randy, because he was like, as a customer of my route, he's like, you want an inversion table? I'm like, hell yeah, I want an inversion table. You get a sweet, just come over after work and pick it up. And I said, donezo, I'll do that. So yeah. Coming on into AVAX on the 12 hour. We did the 12 hour already. I want to look at Spinellis. Double green dots. Daily does look like there's a possible rally coming into it though, to $11. If we can hold this doji candle for a breakout. We have Stokes and RSI starting to swing up right here. That's not bad. VWAP doing its thing. Money float's kind of against us, but if we can break out this momentum wave and continue an upwards movement, upwards path, we can hit $11. Yeah, I like it. Longer term. So let's say this week we might have a rally all this week. A little rally. I say all this week. It could be over in one day. We could rally at 10%, and you're like, oh, there it is. Bitcoin hit 77. Now it's time to be short. Where's Hedera at? 9 cents. Yeah, so I'm still up on my Hedera bag. Probably won't be by the end of this bear market though. On the 1 hour, it came up to the 200 moving average. Wick. Once got wick, gets candlesticks, is what Trent always says. We didn't get above it right here. It doesn't look like we're going to get above it right here. And then I'm willing to bet we will reject off and come down. 15 minutes trying to hold above the 21. That's not so bad. 5 minutes still kind of got a little gas, but the VWAP's coming down. It looks like it's running out. 6 hour, rejecting off it. Have a little bit of a shoulder and shoulder pattern, a little shoulder right there, your head and possible shoulder. It wants to break up to that 50 MA. It's not a huge move. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think it's rejecting off it, that 200. Yeah, I would short it. My opinion, I would short this, man. I don't think it's going to do it. At least not yet. Maybe tomorrow. Create a CME gap. Hopefully, is it the Bears' turn to get wrecked? Bulls been taking it up the ass too long now, dude. I would love to agree with you. I think there might be a rally coming, plus yesterday's rally, but I definitely am nervous about it. What's CoinGlass at? Let's take a look at the liquidation. And you're not wrong, man. The Bulls have been taking it up the butt. All the liquidity is at 70,000. It's kind of jagged though. It's like jumping all over. Like it doesn't really know where the liquidity is at. That definitely turns into a problem. Check the 3-day. What? So I said that before. That's a lie. I could look at the 3-day without that. I do it all the time. I don't know what's going on. We broke CoinGlass. What? Since when? Since when? Really? Did they just change this? I've been doing this the longest time. This is odd. We're going to refresh. I can't believe it's saying that. That doesn't make any sense. Something's wigging out. I want to let me look at the 48-hour on this damn thing. Oh, it's stuck in limbo land. You really not gonna let me look at it? You're really only gonna give me the 24? What the hell? Get out of here, man. I'm gonna have to start using Bookmap instead. Screw you, man. I'm not gonna pay for your crap. You're not gonna give me any data at all. Okay, we'll come down. We got 600 million worth of shorts accumulating. There's a lot of those longs, man. The shorts are longing or shorting. Shorts are shorting really big numbers. Now look at the 7-day right here. Dude, what the hell? Is this just a weekend thing? Well, this is like a totally new to CoinGlass because I think that's a load of bull crap. That's going to really irritate me. I might have to create an account. I've never had to do that before, though. So dumb. Oh. Just when I thought they couldn't get any more annoying and then go and do something like that. It's looking fine for you, right? Something's weird's going on. I usually look at it just normally. They won't let me look at it. I even refreshed the dang thing. Well, I definitely think there's some accumulation going on. What do we got going on in some of these coins? Some of these stupid meme coins, like I've never heard of Siren, never heard of Cycle Pain Me. I've heard of bananas though. Buttcoin. Fedora Brev. Brev is up. We've heard of Brev. That's a Coinbase one. It's up 20% today. Maybe it's time to take a look at Brev. Let's see here. Yeah, you should jump. You should come join us right now, Fat. So I could throw you on the screen and you can load it up. Email me at Blockchain Brew, or if you're in a Discord, jump in the Discord. I'll send you a link to come on the show and we'll cover it together. Zora's down 7%. Penguin down 10%. Rate call down 11. Screw is up a lot. It's down 11%. We might have to jump into THQ too. Take a look at THQ for Mr. DZ. DZ. None of the bull market peak indicators hit. 0 out of 30, guys. That's how bizarre this cycle was. 0 out of 30. Maybe sign your browser out of Google account. Yeah, maybe, but I'm not gonna. I don't want to do it right now. Not while I'm streaming. I'll do it afterwards. That's just kind of bizarre. What was the closest one that we had filled? 94, 95% Bitcoin short-term holder supply. That was pretty close to hitting the market. 87 Bitcoin trend indicator. I always see George. He always pulls up things like, check this one out. This has been right 100% of the time. I'm like, I don't know if it has or hasn't. But you sit there and you listen to him talk, and you're like, well, I guess I have to take his word for it because I really don't know. Oh, this is kind of a fun thing too about being I don't like to even think about myself being an influencer, but just being somebody else. I like to challenge other people. You'll see people, hey, guys, get the likes up to the watchers, please. Be able to watch other influencers talk and then be like, let's see if this is actually accurate. You know, I like George and I will still watch him every day because I think he does great news. But I happen to find out several times on Facebook, his whoever controls his Facebook account is wrong a lot of the time. I don't think it's him, but it does. That makes me go, interesting. Hey, you know what would be a fun one to pull up of George? We should pull his Clash. George's plays Clash token. See where it's at. We might have to do that. Well, there you guys go. You know, liquidity. It's kind of buy it in the middle. Shorts definitely have more to lose than bears. Can we pull up George's Clash token? Clash USDT. I wonder if this is it. Yeah, do you guys know if this one's it? I'll have to pull it up if it's not. It's down at 4 cents. I'm gonna give me a second, guys. I want to find out if this is George's coin because I think it is on Mexi. I gotta go to Dex Screener or Dex Tools. Might be Dex Tools. I'm gonna look up Clash search. This looks like it's at 44 million market cap. Triple topped. Eesh, triple top. Okay, now this looks like it's it. Let's head on. This is on Sol. So it says, what price is it saying? 43. Let me come back over here on trading view. 43.24. Yeah, this is it. Nice. We got ya. All right, we found it. Now we found his token. We should trade it. Do you think we could get his attention if we trade on higher leverage and then force its market cap to go up and down? I'm kind of curious where all the bags are at. Liquidity level, strong resistance right here, but if you push it a little lower, oh man, it's gonna snap, crackle, and pop. Money flow is coming in. It does look like there might be a move coming up. Green dot for momentum coming up. We're coming up to resistance. We have 50, 21, and 200 right here. Interesting. What's the 15-minute doing? Momentum's coming down. It's going to retest off 200, maybe 50. Double tops. This liquidity is all over the place. Holy crap. Holy crud. 4 hour. Ooh, trigger wave. Nice tight double green dot. Ooh. Ooh. I like it. I like that trigger wave. That's nice trigger wave coming in on the 4 hour. That's a long right there. I would long that. Well, we got some 200 moving averages now. Look at that slide down. The dink. That sucker just took off. 12 hours still shows momentum coming in. VWAP had a sharp breakdown, and somebody sold a bag right there. I might start trading Clash. This could be fun. VWAP and the daily is trying to break up too. I would long this. I would also long this. I don't know if it's done yet. It might come up more. Come up another 10, 20%, and then do a little leverage and sell it. I'm going to move Clash into the gaming spot. We're going to keep an eye on this, see if I can trade it on BTCC or Bitfight. Guys, if you haven't already, create an account BTCC over there in the pinned links in the description. Those should be the top ones as well. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I also want to look at Brev. Dude, Brev's been pumping. Oh my goodness, look at that above the 200. Let's go, Brev. Yeah, we shoot up. Last couple hours, come back down. Money flow is okay. VWAP's actually looking like it's starting to make a move again. 1 hour. Wow, we're way above the 200. Wow. We haven't got a red dot yet. Well, what's the money flow doing? Money flow is still increasing. VWAP's coming down. Momentum wants to come down. Everything wants to come down. We got the red. The purple line's coming down. Momentum has not set it, but definitely doing some awkward movement. And the VWAP's coming down. So you got 1, 2, I'll say 3, 4 triggers. Indicators saying likely coming down. But the money flow is still coming in. That's kind of interesting. All right. Yeah, you know, if I was going to long this, I'd wait to come off the 200 and see if we could bounce off it before we could make a move. It was 4 hour. 4 hour money flow is still increasing though in the red. VWAP coming down. It looks like it does probably wants to retest before it does anything. We are clearly above the 50 MA. That's kind of nice. Where's the 200? Do we have a 200 yet? We don't have a 200. It's not old enough. 6 hour. Yeah. I kind of like this. I definitely don't like. I like how it looks. But I would be nervous to long it because it's like already like halfway done in its move. I'll wait to see how it plays out. See if it cools off. Momentum's coming up. 21, we need to break above it, and then we can carry it. Carry it. Where's Pepe at? Oh, bonk. Bonk, Pepe. Pepe didn't look that bad either for a possible long position. Money flow is still increasing. The VWAP's kind of coming down. Oh, I forgot to change my little thing. You gotta watch out to make sure it doesn't get a lower high. The Stokes, strength, money flow's coming in. It's doing pretty good. We could get up to that 200 on the 1 hour. Oh, wait, what's the 15 minute? The 15 minutes pumping. Ooh, green dot. Curvature, VWAP. Yes. Yes. What's 5 minute doing? Ooh, yeah, I like that. Money flow increasing. VWAP trying to bend with it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get this Pepe. Should we long it on the stream? Should we do it? We just might have to. 2 minutes pounding. Let's put a long in, guys. I'm gonna give me a second because I do a lot of my trade on my phone. I'm gonna put in a long in on Pepe. We're gonna crush it right now. Loading up. Open. Bitcoin. We don't want Bitcoin. We want Pepe. Putting a long in on Pepe. Pepe. There we go. We're gonna do. Let's do a little leverage. I'll go to 5x leverage. I'm putting trade in at. I'm trading $20, guys. Leveraging. Buy. Long. Market order. Okay. There you guys go. I don't know if you can see it. We put a trade in. It's right there. We're currently in the green. Just barely. We're barely in the green. You guys can't see it, but it's right there. It's going. We're good. It's okay. Pepe to the moon. Do $1,000. $1,000 and 5x leverage. That's a great idea. I should do $1,000. All right. Sweet. We're in a trade, guys. You know, maybe it's a bad trade. We'll figure it out. We're just having fun. Let that green dot play out, baby. Let's go. The 15 minute. Don't let it be a fake up. You know, like this green dot. It could have played out. It did play out a little bit. We just need this one to play up. Break a high. We're cooking, man. We're cooking. All right. We're gonna trade. Okay, we'll come back to it in a little bit. Okay. What should we look at now? THQ? Look at THQ for Mr. DZ, wherever you're at. D-shaped recovery on THQ. Hope you're doing good today, DZ. I hope you can make your money back on this coin. It was a pretty ugly chart, but so was the market. So we had a thick red wave. Money flows coming in, VWAP's coming up. This also looks like it's pumping. Swinging up, weak, bearish signal right there. Dash. Get dash pumping too. We could go up to that 200, that 0.3 on that 1 hour. What's the 15-minute saying? 15-minute money flow was thick right here. We coming down. Now we're just kind of sideways action. Needs to kind of pick up some more steam. We need some more steam to pick up for this to hold, to keep going. We're currently above the 21 and the 50 MA. It was fair flagging out. Hopefully we can make a move up to 0.31 on the 15-minute. That's what we're hoping for. We are breaking up on the 4 hour too. This does look like it's in a pump too. This does look like it's on a pump on the 4 hour. I like that. 6 hours probably looking like that too. VWAP's kind of weird. It's like a hamburger. Like it looks kind of weird, flat, a little lumpy. Money flows trying to tick up. Definitely a strong movement to the upside. Stokes strength look good. This looks good. I want it to be a little more past the 21 if you could. I don't like how things just stop on that average. You know, you guys are probably like me, like, no, I don't know, man. We got to get above that. If we do break up, like I said 3-1. That's 3-2 on the 6 hour. Oh yeah. We win again. Whenever I put a trade in, I just want to watch it just tick up. Manton. Let's take a look. Ponky's up 10%. Wicked up to the 200. I don't think it's gonna go past that. That was a fluke of a wick, especially when you shrink it down. What else is pumping today? Monero's up 2.5%. Zabek's up 3%. The Beck looks a pretty clean chart though too. Money flow's been increasing. VWAP's doing good. We're at the 200 moving average right now. Coming into the 4 hour. 4 hour. We got momentum. VWAP doing its thing. Stokes and strengths. RSI's looking okay. We're at the 50, man. We got to get above it. I wish we had like another shoulder right here so you can make a head and shoulder pattern where we don't got it. You can make an argument. This is cup and handy. Cup and handy, man, to the upside. If that cup and handle plays out, you know, what's the length of the cup to the bottom of the handle? It's very tight. Very, very tight. I mean, we could be looking at 2.5 move. I like how he broke above the 21 and we're holding it. I think this is likely to play out. This could play out. Maybe the whole market's getting ready to pump because now I'm starting to get bullish, guys. I'm starting to get a little bullish. Maybe we should look at Dash again and see if there's a pump coming into Dash. What do you think, Mr. Kaufman? What do you think? Do $1,000. Do $1,000 on Dash. Long it to $200 moving average. That's what we're gonna do. Dash is down 1.67% for a day. It is above the 21. Man, it's showing some little bit of strength coming above it. Wait, we're supposed to get a candle close right now? I think we're getting a candle close right now. I think, because I don't see a time limit. Yeah, we did get one. Hey, look at that. That looks pretty good. You know? That's not so bad. Movement to the upside. Money flow increasing. VWAP kind of plateauy. Where we didn't break below the 21. Yeah, there could be a little pump action coming on in here. Hopefully, you can get back up to $41. $41 for Dash. That'd be sweet. Trigger wave right there in the 15-minute. That happened while we were streaming, didn't it? We've been live 45 minutes. Yeah, that little green dot came in, confirmed, and it's been pumping since we got that green dot. Trigger wave. Look at that. The whole market's might be flipping bullish. We got, how much time do we got till we get the daily candle close? It's 1 o'clock right now. We got 2.5 hours. Everything likes to pump or dump leading into the 1 hour. Yeah, we got 3 hours left, and looks like it could be waking up. Wake the beast. You know what's another interesting one? I've seen pump with Dash coincidentally. I'm kind of interested in Decred. Have you heard of Decred? I've never really heard of it until I saw it pumping with Dash. Dash, I've known Dash longer than Decred. I don't even think I have Decred in here. Decred, USDT. US. Nope. Try it again. USDT. Nope. I'll just pull that up. It's right here. I don't know why I can't find Decred. Oh, it's DCR. That's why. Oh. Have you heard of Decred, Daniel? Decred's up 7% for the day. Well, if this is showing me anything, and Decred's a privacy coin like Dash, this is a forecast that Dash should be pumping. It's just lagging behind Decred. That's what I'm seeing right now. If we made this little up pattern right here on Dash, well, it doesn't look nothing like it. That's for sure. But Dash is in such a falling wedge, you think it could boom, it could bounce up. The 4 hour, dude, freaking back over here was $90. Oh my gosh. It looks like it could bounce up, so pretty strong movement. I can't believe I'm saying that. Well, I was just not seeing it though, but I'd like to see it snap out of this. Oh. I'm like really examining this. This looks like it's starting to pump up, man. You want my opinion, Daniel? I think this could be good too. This could be some movement, man. Some movement coming into the market. You guys are real kind of quiet today in the chat. Ugh. Real quiet people. It's okay. It allows me to be quiet and chill. Ugh. I wonder if we got any signals in the Discord. Let's take a look, guys, at any of this. Come on. All across the screen. We're going to head over to the Discord, guys, and we're going to look, see if BitFi is throwing us any good trades. So the top ROI traders. Let's get it. I got to figure out where the Discord is. We are going to go to scalp signals. And we also want to head over to the swing signals. I wish it would say where I was last at. Okay, share this tab instead. 7:12 today. We have a Uniswap long. Take a look at Uniswap and Atom. Uniswap and Atom. Scalp signals, we have Filecoin and Link. Oh, my back is so stiff today. All right, let's take a look at Uniswap. I like trading Uniswap. I've had good luck trading Uniswap. Uniswap. Where's the U at? The U is Tether. ZW Uni. It's saying, was it at the scalp or the swing? We have a swing signal, so a longer time frame, not just a scalp. They had an entry price of 265. This is yesterday. With a no, I take it back. Stop loss of 265, an entry price at $3.38. So they made this call 7 a.m. today, so that's 6 hours ago. We're right over here. $1.38 entry price. Where'd they wick to? Low 343. 343. I'm trying to look. I think this was low. 338. 5 cents off. 5 cents off. So you'd have to make your own choice if you wanted to get into this or not. Jump on into that deep end. Actually, you know what? Oh, this is the daily time frame. I'm on the 1 hour. I'm trying to match up their TA with our TA. Yeah, this looks right. So they have an entry price at 343, so they think it could go lower. 338, right here. And they were expecting a long up to $4.85 for a long entry of $4.85. So they were expecting a rally too, a relief rally. But they don't think the pain's over. If they're thinking that makes a lower high, but jumps off the 21 or the 50. Entry price for Atom. They have a long signal on Atom on the daily time frame. So we go find Atom. Fifth link, Atom. I remember that. That was crazy work on October 10th. Okay, so they're calling for a $1.85 entry level. So you would got into it right here. And they have a long position stop loss at $1.55. Take profit $2.65. $2.65. That's a good move. They're thinking that could make a higher high. $2.65. I think that's probably best case scenario. Head on over to scalp signals. I'll take a look at a scalp. They have Filecoin open. Filecoin, where are you at? Where is Filecoin at? I always forget where I keep it. I thought I put it with the AI stuff. Tau, layer 2s, DEXs, gaming. There it is, AI. Entry of 0.09. This hit a low of 77, so you would be in your trade. 0.09, yeah, 77. Take profit of $1.06. That's not a very good. That's not a very good profit. Entry 0.09. I guess the stop loss at 0.86. Huh. Or I think they're thinking that it might move up and then come back down. I don't know. All right, guys, I gotta jump off, man. I gotta get my back a rest. It's sore. Being a truck driver, man, has its bonuses and it has its not bonuses. And one of them is that you drive sitting too much and your back gets kind of stiff. I'm gonna go do some stretches, some Pilates or something like that. Anyways, guys, thanks to everybody for tuning in. Thank you, Daniel Kaufman. Thank you, Pat. Thank you, LT. Thank you, Daniel Kaufman, again. Thank you, Pahavish. Nice seeing you. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. DCA and Pray, thank you for coming on in. Mr. Pepe, thank you for coming on in. Background Actor, thank you for coming on in over there on Kick. And on that note, guys, we'll be back tomorrow for the weekly close. But, no, wait. It's the Super Bowl. We might have an early show. I don't know what we might do for the weekly close. I guess if it's during the halftime show, I might jump on. But if not, I'll expect an earlier show. All right, guys. Peace. Be blessed. Stay blessed. T-Square out. Oh, my goodness, Trent.